Another My Two Good Hands video inside the motorhome. Look, this thing is great. It's got blinds and everything and shades and everything everywhere. We even got a cover for in the front for the cab. But here's where it gets funny. At night, nothing blocks this. And it's a clear window. It's not frosted. It's nice you can see out, but everybody can see in too all night. So we're going to make a cover, and we're thinking of putting it up here and letting it roll down to here. So we brought a towel so we can kind of see how big it needs to be. Probably only needs to be about this wide. So it probably only needs to be about this wide, so we can get a measurement on that. And then if we put it up here so it can roll up, it only really needs to come down so far. So we're going to get a tape measure, and we're going to go do some measuring, and we'll be right. So again, we kind of showed you what it would be like. We'd need to be probably 16 inches wide is wide enough. So 16 to 17 wide. And then if we come down this way, we want to be down to here because we've got to have some up at the top. So we're going to need to be like at least 42. So we're going to say 42. So we got to be 16 by 42. Now keep in mind, we're going to wrap all the edges nice and put a bar across the bottom so it stays rigid and what have you. So it's going to take a little bit more than that. So we'll have to calculate that as we go. But the width of the material cut, we want 16. We got to be at least 18 wide. So it's not real critical on the width. But the length is, if we make it Velcro up here, we want to make sure that we are at least 42 overall. So we're probably going to use the bolt. I believe the bolt's 48, but we're going to double check that. So let's go inside and measure some fabric. So first thing we're going to do here is get the edges turned in like this. And when we turn the edge in like this, what we want to do is we're going to put some edge binding on here and then flip it and turn it twice. The nice thing about edge binding is it holds it in place for our sewing process. So we can come up and sew it. We always do a few by hand. Back up, lock the stitch. And there we go. So the rest of this will be as simple as doing all the edges, and once we get that done, we'll bring you back. Okay, so we put Velcro here so we can stick it up here like this. That's our Velcro for up there. We've got Velcro here, so when we roll it up, this Velcro here sticks here. So now we got to put some Velcro squares on here and get it stuck up there. So we'll get on with that and we'll bring you back. There you go. You can see the squares we got on there now. Now the key here will be to peel the sticky, which might not be that easy. So once you've carefully peeled the sticky backing off, you want to line it up straight up. I'm going to bring it right up so it's right near the top. And then I'm going to slowly stick these on, just like this. There you go. Can't see out the window, can't see in. When you're in the morning, you just grab this at the bottom, roll this up. And bring it up here and roll it to there. There you go. It'll ride like that during the day. Here, let's turn the light, see better. So it rolls up like this during the day. To bring it down, you just kind of peel your Velcro. Let it down, blocks your window. There you go. A little harder to get in and out, but hey, when we take the dog, we can always flip it up and latch it. But we're just going to roll it up now. You bring these up, push it like that. There you go. So don't forget to like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. There you go. Easy shade widened. The RV manufacturers put it in there. They're cheap. Hey, privacy. Gotta love it. Catch you in the next video. I'll put up some links down below to Amazon where you can buy some of these supplies. So I didn't show you a lot of sewing tips because if you go to the video for how to make a tool bag, all the sewing tips are there. Like and subscribe, post notifications, and I'll catch you in the next video.